Bianca Taylor, aka Be The Done. We back with another video. As y'all can see by that title and that thumbnail, your girl is about to do a little shopping and get a little stuff for my cook show, and I'm super excited because I am hosting this next weekend, so I want to bring y'all along with me to get all my items, and I'm gonna show y'all some stuff that I already got as well when I get back to the house. So yeah, let's stay tuned and let's get straight to this video.
More to drain that stuff out.
Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna let y'all see what I got out of Burlington. Let's see what the fuck tour want. What's wrong?
Call Mike and ask him if he got a flow jack I can use.
Alright. Anyways, let me show y'all what I got out of Burlington. Only got 3 little items, but they were just so cute. I really don't need this, but I think it just goes with the aesthetic of what I'm doing with the cook show in my kitchen, apparently. But I got these little cute freaking glasses. I got 2 of these. Let me show y'all the other one. I really don't have to because they actually are the same. But let's just show y'all. It's the other one. So cute. I really love them. They giving like very much cutesy. I'm thinking about putting like rice or something in them because like after I get done with a bag of rice, I don't know if y'all do it, but y'all fold the bag down and just try to sit it up in the in the cabinet. That's what I do. So I'm thinking about just putting the rice in there and whatever else I do, because I got some for my noodles and shit already. So maybe rice, and I'll figure out what else I'm gonna put in them. But I also got this cute gold, very cutesy, very demurred paper towel roll. I got a black one at home, but since I switched out the black knives to white and everything, I think I'm just gonna go with the whole gold and white look in the kitchen, because I actually did I mean, my house is actually already like gold aesthetic, but I didn't know that I was gonna do my little cook show with the white gold aesthetic, so it's giving cute. But now we're gonna go into Ross, so I'm gonna take y'all with me in there and let's see if we can find a couple things. I'm actually looking specifically for mixing bowls and I guess some mixing utensils, because I got everything else, honestly. So we're just picking up little stuff here and there, but really need mixing bowls for like mixing, like seasoning the meat and stuff like that. So yeah. And now that we have officially made it to Ross, let's go spend some money.
Put they in my mind, seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out, to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind, can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out, you, baby, 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 I've been on my empty mindset, I should've kept from losing the best of me, I worry that I wasted the best of me, oh yeah, baby, you don't care, sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent, tryna make some little change, got me a war in my mind, gotta let go, wait, think he was holding me, to the right, but it will pick up the.
What is that? I'm running over something. What the hell? I don't see any mixing here, but they do got some bowls. Let me show y'all what they got. They got these. I don't really want these though. Okay, so I found some. It looks like this. And then they actually got measuring in the inside of them. So I'm gonna get these two for sure. And then I don't really see nothing else that I need. Over here. Got the mixing bowls. Now I'm gonna find the little mixing utensils. I wonder, should I get a new pan? Honestly, y'all, let me go back. We might need a new pan. This one too. Should I get all three? But this one don't have the bottom like the other ones. I don't know if y'all see it. Y'all see the difference? And this is really the same size. It's just deeper. Honestly, I ain't gonna trying to jip me. Give me the bottom. Pen. These are some deep ass pens. This is a deep ass pen, but for $5, I'm fucking with it. I wish they had like a flatter pen. Let me see. Cause I don't know if we cooking anything like bread or anything, but just in case, we get a flat pen. We got a set. What is it? 3-piece set. 3-piece set got a flat pen, a big pen, and a small pen. deep. I think maybe not those. Maybe I should find another kind. I don't remember what we got. I don't remember what we got as bacon wise. I need to go back over the list. Honestly. But I'm looking for mixing utensils. I don't think they have any here. And normally I don't go to Marshall's, but I'm gonna go today. Like I go but barely. Yeah, this fall stuff is so freaking cute. Okay, yeah, y'all. So that's all we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get the mixing bowls. Because I don't see anything that's really grabbing my attention. Maybe I should get some mints, some pot mints, cook mints, mintings. Does that make sense? I'll get some mints. Maybe these. I don't know how these will work. I never had none. Okay. I'm gonna get some cook mints and those, and then that's it, y'all. I'm go into Marshall's and see if we can find something. Because honestly, these stores like selling out of everything, and it's kind of disturbing. It's getting very much disturbing. But yeah, I'll see how we get to the car. Okay, so we just got the cook mittens. They're cute. I never had them like this, the ones that's like open and closed, but I guess this is new and it's giving very much professional. So we're gonna use these, and then I got the 2 pots. I didn't get the third one. I just got this one in. This one. So we got those little 3 things out of there, and y'all, it is so surprising because normally when I go into Ross, TJ Maxx, Target, anywhere like that, I'm going in for more than one thing. I mean, going in for one thing and then come out with 30. So this is really good, and me staying on my toes today. So like I said, I normally don't go in Marshall's and shop for stuff. I do go every once in a while, like if I can't find something somewhere else, which is like now. So I'm gonna go into Marshall's and see what they got, and then we gonna get a food break before we head anywhere else. So because I probably need to wash my car. I'm gonna wash my car. I'm gonna take my car through the car wash. That's what I need to do. But yeah, see y'all in Marshall's.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. Driving on my empty mindset. I should've kept from losing the best in me.
Again, like I told y'all, I never find nothing in the Marshalls. Maybe because I don't come here enough to actually see, like, but I don't see anything that I need out here, so I'm not gonna even force it just to say I got something. So we're going to exit because, like I said, I don't want to force anything. I'm about to look at these purses real quick, but this is so cute. But I don't want to force just to be buying something just because I've been trying to be big on savings, so I ain't finna go that far. But I love some. Oh, that's what I do need. Let me see if they got a reasonable hot comb, cause mine went out. That's what did go out. I see flat irons. I don't see any hot combs. What they got? That's one thing I do gotta order. Hot comb. I mean a hot comb, cause I'm talking my son. A hot comb, cause mine went out. Tremendous. So honestly, I don't see anything in here that I need. So we're gonna leave. Sadly. Oh, these are cute. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, y'all. These are for kids, but they're so freaking cute. Hold on. So 5, where's the 6? The kids. So I can put my big foot in those, baby. Those are getting cute. Okay. Yeah. We're going to get out of here. Bust it, baby, bust it. Pop it, baby, pop it. I know y'all like, what the fuck wrong with her hair, but y'all, I'm in my natural girl area, but this ain't why though. I'm literally gotta wash my damn hair. And my car. Like a motherfucker. So we finna do that after we eat. We finna take a food break there. Don't y'all hate when y'all go somewhere and people just staring at you because you got a camera? Like, get all out my face, ho. You know what I'm doing. But we about to take us a full break, and then we're gonna go wash the car, and then I think we're gonna try the new Crumbl cookies this week. And that's gonna literally complete this vlog. But is it? No, I told y'all I was gonna show y'all my the other stuff I got when I get home. So yeah. I'll see y'all when we get ready to eat. So y'all, we got some motherfucking slim chickens. Y'all know I love my motherfucking food. But we got some honey barbecue chicken wings and some french fries. I don't know what tour wrong with. I'm about to cuss him the fuck out. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
You, what you got? You gave me the number to call.
No, I'm talking about when I called you the first time and I asked you, did you get my call? You said no. But when I gave you Mike's number, I said, all right. You didn't hang up. You clicked over. So you saw me call the first time you was on the phone.
No, the fuck, baby. I'm sorry, of course. No,
All right.
I wouldn't. I clicked over and called Mike.
I was finna hang up anyway.
But why you text me with the drama?
I'm not texting with drama. That's why I said what I said because that's exactly what happened. You don't normally do that. We hang up and then you do whatever. You don't click over.
Baby, I said okay and click Mike's number and call Mike phone.
All right, Tori. Yeah, this food's so fucking good. Let me show y'all. I don't want to waste my ranch and get y'all in this camera, but y'all know what I always get from the Slim Chicken's place. I don't know if y'all can really, if it's focusing, but honey barbecue wings with fries, and then y'all know they give the good ass toast. Good ass toast. Oh shit, I should have tried the they signature sauce because my sister tried. Y'all cannot believe she said it was better than Cane's. She loved Cane's, her favorite food. She do favorite fast food restaurant. She do not really eat nowhere else. She don't like nobody else sauces but Cane's. So for her to say that sauce was better than Cane's, I gotta try it. I don't know. I forgot. It just didn't cross my fucking mind. And then I forgot to say all flats because I was too into fucking Life Jenkins. I was into Life Jenkins, so I didn't say all flats, and they gave me one half and half, 3 drums and 3 flats, and it's gonna piss me off. I hate drums. All flats. This shit good as fuck. Well, y'all, I really want to tell y'all about. So after this first, I'm gonna say this. After this, we're gonna go wash the car. We get done washing the car. We're gonna go to Crumbl cookies because I gotta try new cookies for this week. And then we're gonna go home and these are so good. We're gonna go home and I'm gonna show y'all the other cook stuff that I had prior, so y'all can actually see. Look at that. So good. Damn. I'm gonna suck my teeth. So y'all can actually see what kind of vibe I'm going for. As a chef I am. Big cook. That's why my man love it here. Cause yeah. And then after that, I'm what we gonna do? What we gonna do after that? I did get some new Lululemon I wanted to try on and show y'all, but it's okay. I'm gonna start posting like little mini snaps on Snapchat, so y'all go in there and see. Cause y'all didn't see in my last vlog what I got from Lululemon. I just said I went, but I actually did go and buy stuff out there from. My sister got me something for my birthday. I know y'all like, yeah, but you that hungry? Y'all, I got off at 7 a.m. this morning. I worked overnight shift. I ain't eat shit. Not nothing. I was so ready to get home, take a shower, and get in the bed. I literally went home, took a shower, got in bed. I woke up at like 2 o'clock. It's now 5:18. I woke up at 2 o'clock. And shit, I actually took another nap, but I just got out at 4. So we've been out about an hour. But I hope y'all really love the cook show. I really do. Like, this is something that I want to do. Like, I just want to add it on Sundays though, y'all. I'm gonna still give y'all the little day in the life mini vlogs and shit, but in those cook show would actually give me the energy to get up and do my vlogs better and give y'all better content, because I have been doing better, but I feel like it can be better. It's always something I feel like I can critique, and I feel like I could do better in my vlogs. Plus my last 3 videos been longer, so I'm trying to like give y'all longer vlogs, because those 15 minutes, that shit go by quick, and I know y'all be like, damn, I just sat down and the shit already over with. So, and plus my watch hours is increasing, but not fast, and barely though, because I'm not posting long enough videos. And my sister told me like, bitch, your videos are fucking 6 minutes. What the fuck do you think? How you think you gonna reach the watch hours? So now I'm posting longer videos, so hoping y'all like them and stay engaged and do good. This food is so good, y'all. I'm sorry, it's so fucking good. Damn, I'm about to put the straw in the wings. Fries fresh. Everything pussy. So we're gonna be mad, y'all. I spent like in the last hour probably $100, and I still gotta wash my car and go to Crumbl. He ain't having that shit, y'all. He finna whoop my ass. But I'll see y'all when we get to the car wash. Yeah, I'm see y'all when we get to the car wash.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. Driving on my empty mindset. I try to keep from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up the.
My thighs rubbing together in his bitch. I'm sorry. Alright, I had to bad bag some to get out the light and put my visor down. Y'all see that? It's super, too much light. But I got the mini Crumbl cookies today because I never finished the big ones. But I got the Oreo, the peanut butter, and the chocolate chip one. Let y'all focus over here. Those the 3 that I got today. And we about to do a little small review. Let me take a picture of my cookies. Okay, so the first one we're gonna try the chocolate chip cookie. I tried to show Tori, but this light. Hold on, y'all. I'm turning my car around. This not giving. I'm turning my car around. This is. We're not gonna do that today. I'm gonna go park over here because the light is fucking with me and I can't even concentrate. Video just, yeah, there we go. Okay, so I went to Crumbl Cookies and I got the peanut butter, the Oreo, and the chocolate chip one that we're gonna try. We're gonna try the chocolate chip one first. Let me show you what it looks like. It looks so yummy. It's like a bland chocolate chip, I guess. I would give it 7. I don't know, the aftertaste is doing something to me. It's fucking with me. This is the peanut butter cookie we're gonna try next. I love peanut butter cookies. Eight. 7.58 because I love peanut butter cookies and it's good, but it's, I don't know, it's giving bland today. Maybe it's my taste buds because I love Crumbl cookies and it's giving bland. I don't know. But this is the Oreo. And y'all, they got like 7, 8 different things this time. Like so many. I showed y'all in the video, like so many. I should have picked something else, but I thought these cookies regular would be better, but I guess not. Okay. I'll give it a 9. I give it a 9. I like it. I'm gonna try something else. I probably have to come back tomorrow because the other 2 cookies not giving, and I'm probably not gonna finish them. But I'm gonna eat the chocolate chip one. I mean the Oreo one. I'm so thirsty. I need some water. This soda killing me. But y'all, we got the car washed. We got the stuff we needed. I did want to get a mixer, but I got one at home. I just want to get a new one so I can take with me because I don't kind of want to take none of my dishes from home. I bought Pacific dishes for the cook show and dishes for my house. So, but yeah, we'll see. I might find one at the Walmart or something on the way there or another time. But we got everything we were supposed to get. Only thing that I have to do now, and I'm gonna do that later in the week, is go grocery shopping and get all the groceries, and go grocery shopping, get all the groceries and stuff that I need, what everybody cooking and seasonings. And then I'm gonna go home and show y'all some of the stuff that I already got, if that makes sense. And then we're gonna end this vlog. But yeah, see y'all when we get home. What's up, y'all? So we finally back home, and I'm about to show y'all some of the stuff that I already got, because I told y'all I was going to show y'all that. But let's get to it. So I got, let me move this, please. Damn, that's scratchy. But I got these, they're cute, for the oil and vinegar. I got sugar and flour bowl. I got this little cute kitchen set, some toothpicks, this cute knife set. And then I got my spices set. Tori probably did that. He always doing some shit when he's trying to do some shit. But this is the black one I was telling y'all about that I'm switching. That's why I got the other one. And then I got those because it goes great with the aesthetic. And I've been had these for my kitchen because I told y'all I was doing black. And then these are like all my plates. shit, my bad, plates and bowls for the show. And then these are like the cute pots that I have, and all of those under there. So I think I got, oh yeah, I got these measuring cups and these. I got this little gritter. This is the one I've been had. That's why I said that. And then I got this masher and some other spoons and stuff, as well as some tongs and stuff. So that's pretty much everything that I have already bought. And then the stuff that I got today. And then y'all already know I got my cute, let me show y'all the outfit. It's cute jacket with my logo on it. Then I got the hat to go with it here. And then my guest has the aprons and the hats as well. So I'm literally putting shit together and getting stuff together. But I'm about to end this vlog, so I want to say thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe. Sorry that I look a hot mess on here, but I'm about to get ready to wash my hair, so that's why I didn't do it. I just kind of fluffed it out or whatever while I go to the store, so it kind of look presentable and not too thrown away. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure y'all tune into the next video, and until next time.